Yo folks, how y'all doing today? We got the PRC back out again, the 6.5. This is a Mauser. We are trying to get this 147 grain to shoot. Factory Hornady shoots very good in it. I've never been able to get it to shoot with a hand load. The 143X, I can get that to shoot very good. The 147M, this one not. I got some different powder. Shooting some H1000 to the tune of about 55.5 grains. And I'm loaded off the lands the exact same as Hornady's factory. You know, the factory stuff shoots excellent at that overall length. I'm thinking my hand loads. Works with the 143. There goes nothing. First left-hand dot. Also got a chronograph set up. $29, $28. Not a whole lot of difference in speed compared to the 143X. Damn, it's hard to see with context. 29, 57, 30 foot faster. And she opened up a little bit. That looks like about a 1-incher. Nothing to get excited there about. 29.53, that's good. IMR 7828. 52 grains of it. Hope shoots better than the H1000. That don't look bad. Of course, only 2 shots. $28.96. Well, that might be something to play with. 29.27. A little over 50, 52 foot. I'll let it cool one more time. We got 3 more rounds. All right, last one we got to go here is US 869 to the tune of 64 grains. I've actually shot this before and I can't remember what it did. Didn't know the powder charge, but I've shot it on something. All the way to the right. Let's give her heck. And that's completely off the paper. $31.57, wow. That's smoking. Now it's 27.57. Gotta love contacts, huh? I do not know where it's going, but I don't think I'm on paper. 27.44. It's not bad. Last round of the day. Oh, just caught the bottom of the cardboard. 27.57. I did that once already, didn't I? Yeah, 27.57. Well, we got people waiting here. I'm going to pull all my targets, load up, and we'll look at these targets at home on the bench. All right, we're back home. We got the girls hanging up there. We got the target on the deck. Like I said, I shot 5 of them with my standard 143 grain axe. That load has shot umpteen half-inch groups. I can't even think about it. That one there, that one out of the group would be fine. This one, those 4 would be fine. That's 7/8 of an inch. That's about as bad as that. Yeah, you know, that could be me. You have days you can shoot and days you just can't get her done. But trying out what I did, trying to get that 147 grain, the match bullet to shoot. I've never really gotten it there. This is some of the best, actually. This was H1000, 55.5 grains. That one, IMR 7828 Super Shortcut, 52 grains of it right there. That is little less than 5/8 of an inch. That is close to that half-inch that this gun has shot a lot of, and that will shoot 400 factory at half. Over here, that US 869, I've shot that before, not much good luck, but you know what, I'll always give it a second go. First shot was over in here. Second shot, the third one I think is down below. I couldn't even tell you, but it's out of the game. It's done. I gave it 2 shots and didn't pan out either time. We're going to try both of these. Start playing with, do a ladder test, or I'm not big in that ladder test, but we'll play around something like one, play around about 2/10 of a grain up and down the scale. We'll see if we can't get one of them to go with the 147 grain match. Thanks a lot for coming along, folks. It's been great.